In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a credit card to your PayPal account and use it to make payments securely and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account by visiting PayPal's website and following their sign-up instructions. For those of you who already have an account, just go ahead and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Wallet. Depending on your PayPal interface, you might also see this labeled as Linked Accounts or Payment Methods. This is where you manage the cards and bank accounts associated with your PayPal account. Look for the option that says Link a debit or credit card. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to enter your card information. It's important to make sure you're entering your credit card details accurately to avoid any issues. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and the security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Once you've filled in that information, you'll click to confirm, and your card will be linked to your PayPal account. With your credit card now added, you're set to use it for making payments through PayPal. To send money or make a payment, you'll head over to the Send and Request tab and select Send. When it comes time to choose a payment method, you will now select your recently linked credit card. Before you finalize any transactions using your credit card through PayPal, it's crucial to review any associated fees and terms. Typically, when you make a payment using a credit card with PayPal, there's a fee involved. In the US, for example, you might encounter a fee around 2.9% plus a fixed amount for each transaction. These fees can vary, so always check the most current fee structure on PayPal's site or app so there are no surprises when you check your statements later. Once you've completed your transaction, there's one more important consideration: how your credit card issuer handles transactions made via PayPal. Sometimes, these transactions could be treated as either purchases or cash advances. This distinction is important because a cash advance might come with higher interest rates or immediate interest charges, unlike some purchase transactions which might have a grace period. The best practice here is to check your credit card's terms and conditions or reach out to your issuer to understand how these charges will be handled. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a credit card to your PayPal account and are now equipped to transact smoothly and securely. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.